Tanzania EMU, which stands for Electric Multiple Unit, is a train powered by distributed electric motors across the coaches, which makes it faster, quieter, and more efficient than traditional electric locomotive trains that rely on a separate engine to pull the train. While both trains are modern, the EMU train is designed for speed and luxury, making it ideal for premium travel. In contrast, the electric locomotive train balances functionality and affordability, catering to a broader audience. The EMU electric multiple unit train features a classy, sleek, and modern design both inside and out. The interior is well lit with spacious cabins and an elegant layout that screams luxury, especially in royal class. The exterior design of the EMU electric multiple unit train is clean and streamlined with a futuristic appeal that reflects its advanced technology. On the other hand, the electric locomotive train has a more traditional design but still looks vibrant and attractive, with bold colors that make it stand out. Inside, the layout is simpler and practical, especially in economy class, but it's still comfortable for everyday travel. There are two classes in the EMU electrical multiple unit train, Royal Class and Business Class. The Royal Class seats are a unique feature. They are rotating, allowing you to turn them towards the window for a scenic view. This adds to the premium experience. In Business Class, the seats are fixed but still very comfortable. The EMU train is packed with comfort features, including the overhead compartments for lightweight luggage, coat hanging hooks for convenience, tray tables for dining or work. Royal Class coach feature a one on the right and two on the left seat configuration. Footrest for added relaxation. Blackout pull-down roller shades. Individual reading lights for added convenience and comfort. And power socket with USB ports conveniently located underneath the right side of each seat. The EMU train's interior features a chic blend of dark brown, orange brown, and off-white, offering a warm and modern ambience. Along with seat rotating feature, the seat also include a reclining feature for comfort and relaxation. In contrast, the electric locomotive train offers a business class and an economy class that features 3 on the right and 2 on the left seat configuration. The electric locomotive train's economy class seats offer great features, including footrest for added relaxation, plenty of legroom space, seat pockets, tray table again for working or dining. Tanzania electric trains are fully air-conditioned, be it EMU electrical multiple unit or locomotive trains. A bottle or cup storage for added convenience and comfort, overhead compartments for lightweight luggage, and coat hanging hooks. Economy class offers comfortable leather seats with seat reclining feature. Economy class seat also features a power socket and a USB port beneath seats. The EMU train is scheduled to depart at 8 a.m. and it departed exactly at 8 a.m. as indicated on the ticket and was right on time, no delays. In contrast, the locomotive train is scheduled to depart at 9:50 a.m. from Morogoro station but was a minute late based on my experience. The EMU train is equipped with modern fully automated lavatories offering the following: a standard automated lavatory with all the necessary amenities which we just saw, and now I'm going to take you to a disability friendly lavatory with press to slide doors, an infant seat and a diaper changing station. Kudos to the Tanzania Railway Corporation for introducing a groundbreaking disability-friendly lavatory that sets a new standard for accessibility and comfort. One of the coolest features is press to slide door, just like this. This fully equipped facility caters to the needs of disabled passengers as well as mothers and infants, ensuring a more inclusive and comfortable travel experience for all. The attention to detail in providing such a thoughtful amenity reflects a strong commitment to the well-being and dignity of all passengers, making train journey more convenient and welcoming for everyone. Truly a commendable step forward in accessible travel. On the locomotive train, the lavatories differ by class. In economy class, the lavatories are basic and include squat toilets, along with essential amenities. This seat costed me around 63,000 Tanzanian shillings. I'll mention it in dollars in here somewhere on the screens. In Royal Class on the EMU train, passengers enjoy a complimentary meal that includes a croissant, TRC branded salted roasted cashew nut packet, and an apple. A selection of drinks is provided along with the meal, like tea, coffee, boxed juices, and water. Tea is served in a cup and saucer, giving it a premium touch. What makes it even more special is the ability to rotate your seat, sip your tea, and enjoy the beautiful scenery. In business class, the meal is similar, but tea and coffee are served in a disposable cups instead of cups and saucers. On the locomotive train, things are different. In economy class, there is no complimentary meal. Instead, an attendant with a catering trolley passes by offering snacks, drinks, and meals for purchase. This is convenient for passengers who want to buy something during their journey. So this is it. This was my overall comparison between the EMU trains and the locomotive trains. Royal class, which costed 63,000 Tanzanian shillings one way, versus economy class, which costed 13,000 Tanzanian shillings one way. The major key difference between the two is that EMU trains are faster and more efficient, while locomotive trains focus on practicality. Both trains serve different purposes and audiences. The EMU train offers a luxurious, scenic experience with state-of-the-art features, making it ideal for premium travelers. On the other hand, the locomotive train provides an affordable, practical option for everyday travelers. Which experience will you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel comparisons. Thank you for watching.